Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to build the powerful open source AI agents like Confucius AI, what makes them strong, and how you can think about creating your own. So first of all, let's just understand what is an agent. So an agent is a system that doesn't just respond to the questions, it acts, it plans, and it completes the tasks on its own. Instead of only answering the prompts, it can make the decisions, follow the steps, and even interact with the tools like calendars, search, and databases. So Confucius AI is one of the open source agents that become popular because it combines the larger language models with a planning system, memory, and the tool use all in one package. So, what makes it powerful isn't just the language model itself, but the whole agent architecture around it. So, here is how you can basically think about building a powerful AI agent like that. So first of all, you need to start with the capable open source language models that can understand and generate the complex language. Bigger or better trained models going to give you stronger reasoning and better follow through on the tasks. So this base model is the brain of your agent. Now an agent needs to plan, not just the answer. This means creating a system that can break down the big goals into the smaller steps. So what makes the agents really useful is tool use. So you link the agent to the external systems like the search engines, the calendars, databases, messaging tools, or even the code execution environments. This way the agent isn't stuck generating the text. It can do the things like check the real data, schedule the appointments, and run the calculations. So the powerful agents remember the past interactions and important details. Instead of forgetting what happened earlier in the session, they store the summaries, the facts, or the preferences. So this lets them give more personalized and the consistent outputs over time. Now you want your agent to learn from the mistakes, so you can build a feedback loop. After completing a task, evaluate what went well and what didn't. Then you can adapt the agent's planning memory system to improve the future actions. So when you basically combine all of these, a strong model planning, use memory feedback, you create an agent that feels more autonomous and capable. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.